Air leaks around windows and doors are a big source of discomfort and a drain on heating and cooling bills. Most windows have pieces of fiberglass insulation shoved into the gaps between the window and the framing wood. It's a cheap way to insulate, but it doesn't keep air and insects out. Here's an example. Light from the outside is shining through, an indication that air and insects are getting in. Low-pressure spray foam like Touch 'n Foam's No Warp is specifically designed to air seal and insulate gaps without bowing or warping frames. It only takes a few minutes, but the savings will last a lifetime. When applying No Warp, fill the gap about 1/3 of the way. As it cures, the foam will expand to completely fill the gap. Don't worry about overfilling. Cured foam can easily be trimmed to leave a clean, smooth edge. And No Warp's unique bright white color makes it great for use around white and vinyl windows.